Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install VS Code on Kali Linux 2025.2. By default we won't get the VS Code. See, you don't have the VS Code, so open the default browser that comes with Kali Linux and download. Go to code.visualstudio.com. Then click on download or just click on this .debian package. Both are same. Click on download. See, here we have the Debian package. You have to click on it to download. See, download started and its size is 104 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will install it. In meantime, please subscribe my channel for more tutorials. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory, cd downloads, ls. See, here we have the code Debian package. You have to install it. Sudo dpkg -i code. Give the tab to autofill entire Debian package name, hit enter, then provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. See, here the installer would like to add the Microsoft repository and signing key to update the VS Code through apt. So select yes and hit enter. It is done. We have successfully installed. Now go to applications, VS Code. See, here we have the Visual Studio Code. Click on it to open. See, you got the Visual Studio Code. Or close it. Simply run the code on the terminal. It will also open the same application. See, you got the Visual Studio Code. Okay, we have successfully installed ls. This file is not recorded anymore. Remove it. Code rm, give the tab, hit enter. We have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to download and install Visual Studio Code latest version on Kali Linux 2025.2. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.